Your strength is not in your paws or body, but in something deeper.
This thing, it's alive. It reacts to you. Darkness, it's awakening!
Finally, the time has come!
The darkness, what is it?
It's what almost wiped out generations of our kind. Stick close. Don't separate from the group.
Yes. It's shaking, as if something is trying to escape.
The ancient gate must not be opened now.
The stone, it's so hot!
Ready to fight!
Stay behind me!
What is that? Take this blow!
Shield spell!
It protects you. It's much stronger than we anticipated.
The energy within Loon, it's increasing.
Indeed, just like the ancient legend.
A legend, what is it?
There is a guardian, born the weakest but chosen by the moon.
I am truly weak, but I don't think I'm any guardian. Loon, you are not weak. You just haven't believed in yourself yet.
Mother, I'm scared.
Everyone, form up!
Loon.
Focus on your breath.
I must protect them. Loon, this is the moment.
Do something!
I won't hide anymore.
This is the Moon Guardian.
Unbelievable. It's him. You will not touch them again.
The chosen one. Fight, Loon!
Loon, you must stabilize it.
I trust you now.
I miss you, Mother. But I will protect everyone. That's right. Don't stop.
Moon, light,
You,
really did it.
it's over.
Loon,
From today, you are the guardian of the ancient gate.
we are proud of you.